Welcome back to Lonely AstroBears Space Agency's Basics of NFT video series. Previously, we talked about the basic definition of NFT, and now, moving forward, we'll talk about where and how you can create it. May iba't ibang paraan sa paggawa ng NFT. Kung ikaw ay isang developer na gustong matuto, maraming masterclass ang pwede mong panoorin all over the internet to take advantage of this technology. Some free classes can be found on YouTube, such as the ones made by Hashlips, and some paid classes can be found in Udemy. Kung artist ka naman na gusto lang matuto sa NFT, marami ring resources online na pwedeng aralin about NFT art creation. If you're ready to do your own research, links on some of my recommended free classes will be included in the description, and you may feel free to watch those right away. Pero kung hindi mo talaga alam kung saan sisimulan ang research and study mo, you're in the right place. With that, let me just walk you through the very basics of how to create an NFT, in particular, how to sell it and where to market it. Bago tayo gumawa ng NFT art, we first need to determine kung saan nga ba nahahanap, nabebenta, at nabibili ang mga NFT artworks. May iba't ibang klaseng marketplaces for this tulad ng OpenC, Rarible, Foundation, as well as Binance, one of the newcomers sa listahan ng markets. In this case, we will be using OpenC. How to create an OpenC account? To create an OpenC account, first, let's go to OpenC.io. Makikita mo sa top right side of your screen if you're on PC. And if on mobile, makikita mo ito agad, still on the right side. Pero, I would suggest na gawin itong process na ito sa PC for a smoother experience. After this, you will have to choose an Ethereum wallet. Ano nga ba ang Ethereum wallet? Ethereum wallets ang magbibigay sa'yo ng access to interact with your Ethereum account. In this case, ang pipiliin natin ay Metamask dahil ito ang isa sa pinagkakatiwalaang Ethereum wallet currently. Para makagawa ng Metamask account, kailangan mo munang mag-install sa browser of choice mo ng Metamask extension. Kung nasa phone ka naman, pwede mong i-install ang Metamask via the App Store or Play Store. Kung nasa Chrome ka, you can simply click Add to Chrome. How to create a Metamask account. Now that you've installed Metamask on your device, you can create your new account by clicking on Create a Wallet. Pero kung may previous Metamask wallet ka na, you can simply choose No, I already have a secret recovery phrase. Kung pinili mo ang Create a Wallet, make sure to read the terms detailed sa screen, and then click I agree if you do agree with the conditions. Ngayon, makikita mo na sa screen mo ang create a password. Make sure na yung pipiliin mong password ay secure at ikaw lang ang nakakaalam. Then, click next. At this point, tuturuan ka ng Metamask as to how you can keep your account secure at kung paano mo ito magagamit sa iba mo pang devices gamit ang tinatawag na secret recovery phrase. Makikita mo ito by clicking on the lock icon. Make sure na na-copy at save mo na ang recovery phrase bago mo i-click ang next. Maganda kung sa separate device mo ito ilalagay. Confirm your account by adding your recovery phrase in the right sequence. Pagkatapos nito, click All Done. And now, you have a Metamask account that you can link to your OpenC account. How to link Metamask to OpenC? Before we continue, I encourage you to join the official Lonely AstroBears Discord server. Anyone interested in joining the NFT space are free to join. And even better if you have questions that our videos have not been able to answer. You can join by scanning the QR code on your screen, or you may click the link in the description. Ngayon, babalik naman tayo sa OpenC. I-hover mo lang ang cursor mo sa profile icon sa top right corner sa screen mo. Then, click Profile. Here, you will see again yung choices ng Ethereum wallets na pwede mong pagpilian. Click Metamask and log into your wallet. Click Next and then Connect to officially connect your Metamask wallet to OpenC. Now, your OpenC account is ready. Feel free to customize your personal details as you go. That concludes Chapter 2 of the Basics of NFT. In the next chapter, we will be talking about the conceptualization and the building of your artwork. If this video helped you, we only ask that you like the video and subscribe to this channel and pay the knowledge forward. Help out those who are also trying to learn the basics. If you were stuck on any part of this tutorial, don't forget to join our free Discord server where you can clarify and ask questions about anything NFT and art.